Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to be making one of the most highly requested videos of all time, which is my hair care routine. So let's just get into it. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment other videos you want me to make. So to start, I'm going to be unraveling my ponytail. It's going to look super crazy because of all the gel that's in it. So first thing I'm going to do is split my hair down the middle and tie one side out of the way. With the side that is free, I will separate that into 3 sections and make each section a twist. By the end, you should have a total of 6 twists on your hair, but this also depends on your hair length. But this is how you should be looking. Go ahead and wet your hair. Yeah, it look kind of crazy because I normally do this in the shower. But yeah, get your shampoo. I'm using this Cantu shampoo. This was actually the first time I used it. I really liked it. I go ahead and focus that on my scalp because that's where it needs to be cleaned. Shampoo is sometimes very drying, so I avoid putting it on my ends. And yeah, just scrub your hair and then rinse it out. And then you follow up with a deep conditioner. And for the deep conditioner, I will first tie some sections of hair out of the way, and I start with the back. I unravel a twist, and then I will apply the deep conditioner, focusing it on the ends of my hair rather than my scalp, because sometimes deep conditioners can be thick and then they clog like the pores in your scalp or whatever. So yeah, saturate that section of hair with deep conditioner, moving it down your hair and smoothing it in, and then you get a comb and you start detangling from the ends of your hair, working upwards. It's really important to start from the ends because it's less painful and it's more efficient in getting out all the little knots that may be in your hair. Continue to detangle thoroughly until your comb passes through smoothly. You will know your hair is fully detangled if your fingers are able to pass through your hair with ease. Then you take that section and you braid it and go on to the next section. Your hair should look like this by the time that you're done. Then you go ahead and put it under a cap and leave it for 30 minutes. This is my deep conditioning dance because I'm happy that my hair is getting healthy. Then you rinse it out. I can't do voiceovers. Yeah, then you rinse it out, and what I do is I squeeze excess water out of the braid and then I unravel it. Now for each braid, you're going to divide it into 2. So for this braid, I separate it into 2. I tie it out of the way and I start with this section that's here. I will go ahead and squeeze out any excess water that's in my hair. Don't use a towel, guys. Towels are bad for you. Use any other type of cloth. Saturate your hair with leave-in conditioner. I'm also using the Cantu conditioning cream. And then I detangle once again just to make sure there are no knots in my hair. And normally this is where I would add shea butter as well, but there's no shea butter, so it's okay. I then braid that section into a super neat braid, as neat as I possibly can, because these are the ones that I'm going to be sleeping with overnight. Add some excess leave-in conditioner on your ends just for extra moisture and nourishment, and you're done. Do the same thing, squeeze out water, add leave-in conditioner, detangle, and braid the next section. By the time you're done, your head should look something like this. After this, I normally just tie my hair down and continue with the rest of my day and sleep. In the morning, your hair will most likely be dry. Go ahead and tie some braids out of the way, and you start from the back, unraveling each braid. My hair was super moisturized the next morning, and what I did, I just unraveled the braid and I detangled all my hair out. My hair looked like this afterwards, and then I did one of my favorite go-to styles, which is just a quick top bun, and I just collected all of my hair at the top of my head, make sure everything was smooth, and tie a bun. Another extra step that I take is laying my edges. Here is just a quick demonstration of how I do that, but I will have another video where I do in-depth styles as well as how I lay my edges. Be on the lookout for that video in the coming weeks. Once you're done laying your edges and everything, go ahead and throw on some earrings and some lipstick and head out the door. I don't know what song I was listening to here, but I was lit. Thank you for watching, guys.